Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses north central Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Missouri, most of Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, extreme northwestern Illinois, most of Wisconsin, northern Michigan, and most of the UP of Michigan. The slight risk today includes Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Madison, Wisconsin, Des Moines, Iowa, and Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And there are two marginals today. One marginal covers southwestern and northwestern Texas, the eastern half of New Mexico, northwestern Oklahoma, the Oklahoma Panhandle, eastern and southeastern Colorado, most of Kansas, parts of Nebraska, northern Missouri, northwestern and southeastern Iowa, south central Minnesota, northern Illinois, northwestern and southeastern Wisconsin, the northwestern part of the UP of Michigan, and central Michigan. And the other marginal today covers northern Maine. Cities in today's marginals include El Paso, Texas, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Kansas City, Missouri, Wichita, Kansas, and Grand Rapids, Michigan. Going to the tornado threat for today, we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses parts of Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Nebraska, far northwestern Missouri, central most of Iowa, extreme southeastern Minnesota, extreme northwestern Illinois, most of Wisconsin, northwestern Michigan, and most of the peninsula of most of the UP of Michigan. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Madison, Wisconsin, Des Moines, Iowa, and Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Going to today's wind threat, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that covers north central Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, far northwestern Missouri, much of Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, extreme northwestern Illinois, most of Wisconsin, northern Michigan, and most of the UP of Michigan. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Madison, Wisconsin, Des Moines, Iowa, and Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Moving forward, there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covers southwestern and northwestern Texas. If you just hear my stomach rumble, I just didn't eat breakfast yet, so my stomach's rumbling. So if you hear another rumble, it's just my stomach. Also, I'm still on antibiotics for my ear infection, so it's actually reacting to that. So just letting you know if you hear my stomach. Anyway, we have two areas where we have a 5%. We have two areas where we have a 5% wind risk today. One covering eastern half of New Mexico, western and northwestern Texas, northwestern Oklahoma, the Oklahoma Panhandle, east central and southeastern Colorado, most of Kansas, parts of Nebraska, northern Missouri, northwestern and southeastern Iowa, northern Illinois, south central Minnesota, northwestern and southeastern Wisconsin, central Michigan, and the northwestern part of the UP of Michigan. And the other 5% wind risk today covers northern Maine. So, cities in the 5% wind risk areas today include El Paso, Texas, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Kansas City, Missouri, Wichita, Kansas, and Grand Rapids, Michigan. Going to the hail threat for today, there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses east central and southeastern Colorado, extreme northeastern New Mexico, most of the Oklahoma Panhandle, most of Kansas, most of Nebraska, northwestern Missouri, most of Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, far northwestern Illinois, most of Wisconsin, there we are. northern Michigan, and most of the UP of Michigan. The 5% hail risk area today includes Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Madison, Wisconsin, Des Moines, Iowa, and Cedar Rapids, Iowa. So, in summary, storms with isolated severe wind gusts and hail will be possible today from the southern and central plains northeastward into the Great Lakes. So, that's the day one outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, even in the marginal, because sometimes marginals can produce some pretty strong storms. And my day 2 outlook will come out this afternoon, where I'll be filling in for SPC convective outlooks. Take care.